Choice.com introduces Web 3.0 interest accounts with outstanding 26% APY on stablecoins. MetaFi platform Choice.com has launched a new product, Web 3.0 interest accounts. Now Choice.com users have the ability to earn on USDT, USDC, and CHO, the platform's native token, interest accounts, through its proprietary ecosystem. Choice.com sets a goal of finding the DeFi products that offer good options for earning, and making access to them easier for users by collecting all these products within a simple, easy-to-use, one-click solution. How Web 3.0 interest accounts work. Users of the service will choose from 3 deposit periods, lasting 6, 12, and 24 months, respectively. Each term will have a different possible annual percentage yield, APY. The APY will also differ depending on the coin a user will be depositing. USDT and USDC deposited for 24 months will attract up to 16% APY. The figure will be 26% for CHO deposited for a similar period. Deposit period, months, 6, 12, 24. USDT/USDC, APY 13%, 15%, 16%. CHO, APY 13%, 25%, 26%. To get started on Web 3.0 interest accounts, the platform requires users to make a minimum deposit of $500 worth of USDT, USDC, or CHO. However, there is no limit to the maximum amount users can deposit. Interest payments will be made at the end of each deposit term in the same cryptocurrency with which the investor made the initial deposit. Choice.com advises people who are interested in investing to always do their own research. About Choice.com. Com is an innovative crypto solution that combines all the advantages of SaFi and DeFi services into one system. At the heart of Choice. Com is a new, in-house ecosystem, Chairism, a suite of products that provides users with more chances to earn on their crypto assets. The platform was hived off and rebranded from the crypto wallet and SaFi ecosystem Ethereum in 2021. Choice.com is run by Vladimir Gorbunev, the company's founder and CEO. More than 160 people work for the company, and their main goal is to find new ways to combine SaFi and DeFi technologies to reflect the future crypto market. The company's portfolio today includes over 700,000 users.